there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part for Outside Intro from Inside Out 2, composed by Andrea Datzman. So I'm going to be using sheet music to teach this one. If you're interested in where you can access the sheet music, I've left that link in the description for you. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of E major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E major. So these are mostly the notes we're using, plus other accidentals in there. Here is middle C, just so I can explain where I've positioned my camera. The lowest note I'll use is this E. The highest note I'll use is this G sharp. So obviously just work within the octaves that you have. And I'll pull up for each line of the sheet music, do it hands separately, and then play each line hands together for you. So here is the first line. Everything in the right hand is notated here. And then we have the octave sign, which means you play it an octave higher. But again, just work within the octaves that you have. You can play it there if you want to. So we have G sharp first. So G sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp, E, D sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp, E. I'll do all that again. So the left hand in this one is only really playing about two different chords, and they're major seventh chords, like inversion major seventh chords. This is how I'm going to play the left hand. In thirds. And I'll give you an easier alternative as well, if you're struggling with that. You could miss out this B if you wanted to, and just play D sharp and E with a G sharp. So we're going to play B in D sharp and then E in G sharp. So I recommend that you get your hands further up the keys like this and make sure you're moving your fingers. That can be quite tricky. Obviously this is not aimed at beginners. So it's worth just practicing this shape. So this is an E major 7 chord, and I guess we're playing it in second in inversion. So we do that for the whole, well, first 4 bars of the first line. So I put this first line together for you now then. Okay, so on to the next line, we'll do the right hand. So we have that D sharp first, D sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, E, and we have D natural, F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp, D, E, D. I'll do that line again. Okay, and then the left hand, we have a bar of what we've just been playing, so that E major 7 inversion chord, and then we're going to move that shape down 1. So we have the same thing, the same pattern, but it's based here. So this makes D major 7 inversion, second inversion. So we're going to play A and C sharp, and then D and F sharp, same pattern. So again, get your hands further up the keys. Okay, so I'll put this line together for you now. now the next line, so the right hand, so C sharp, F sharp, D, E, D, C sharp, F sharp, D, and then we have A, D, G sharp, F sharp, D, and then that whole right hand repeats again from the beginning, and then from the next bar. So I'll do that again, so C sharp, F sharp, D, E, D, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, G sharp, F sharp, D, and then it repeats again from the beginning. So the left hand, so we're still on this D major 7 inversion, so the, and in this bar we do that 1 and 2 and then we turn the C sharp into a C natural for the rest of that bar. So we play A and C sharp with the, and then D and F sharp. So that makes, this gives us like a version of D minor major 7, so a bit more of a dissonant chord. That's the only other chord we have, otherwise it's just E major 7 and D major 7. And at the end of that bar, so when the melody starts again from the beginning, we're still maintaining these notes. We're going to play an octave lower. So again, this is like middle B, but we're going to break up the notes this time. So B, D sharp, E, G sharp. So you might actually find doing this a bit easier than the previous left hand part. So I'm going to put this line together for you now. So back to the A position. Then move down here. And then the next line. So we know the right hand is the same, and the left hand is carrying this on for the whole of this line. So actually I'm just going to continue onto this line. So from the F sharp in the right hand. Two more lines to go, so the second to last line. Again, we know what the right hand is doing because we've covered it before. So then the left hand, again, we're back to this shape. We're just going to be breaking it up, ascending. So A, C sharp, D, F sharp. So I'm going to put this line together for you now, from the D natural in the right hand. And the last line, the left hand's still playing this. I'm going to carry on. C sharp. We don't change to the C natural this time. We stay on the C sharp. And the last chord, I'm going to play G octaves if you can stretch it. If not, just play the highest G sharp. In my left hand, I'm going to play E, B, D sharp. That's the end chord. So I'm going to play it all the way through now, slowly. video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.